Let's make white Texas sheet cake. Add 2 cups of cake or all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder to a medium bowl and mix. Add 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of butter to a pot. Then use medium heat, stirring occasionally until it just barely bubbles on the edges. Add 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a small bowl and mix. Add the flour mixture to the pot a little at a time, stirring until combined. Then add in the egg mixture and stir until well combined, finishing the cake batter. Pour over a sprayed or greased sheet pan. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool 20 minutes. Add 1/4 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of butter and heat until just barely melted. Add chopped pecans and mix those in. Then add 4.5 cups of powdered sugar a little at a time, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Spread the frosting evenly over the top of the sheet cake. Slice and serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.